a model car races along a track at 6 meters per second. It then comes to rest after 12 seconds. Calculate the average acceleration. So, drawing a diagram. So the car goes 12 seconds and it's travelling at 6 meters per second squared. It then reverses at the same constant acceleration for a further 8 seconds. Find the velocity and the speed of the model car at the end of this time. So it then reverses for 8 seconds, and what we want to find is the velocity and the speed at the end of this time. So the average acceleration is the final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by the time taken for the first part of the journey. The final velocity will be equal to 0 because the car comes to a rest at this particular point, minus the initial velocity, which was 6 meters per second, and the time taken from doing that was 12 seconds. So the acceleration will be minus 0.5 meters per second squared. The minus sign means that the car is actually decelerating, it's slowing down. So at this particular point, the car will come to rest. So the average acceleration of the car of minus 0.5 meters per second means that each second the velocity will change by minus 0.5 meters per second. So if it's going to continue with that same constant acceleration, then the car will start the final 8 seconds at rest, because at this particular point v is equal to 0, and then the final velocity will be 0 plus 8 times minus 0.5, 8 seconds times the acceleration, which is going to give me minus 4 meters per second, and the final speed will be 4 meters per second. The minus sign means it's going in the opposite direction to being positive.